Hello, friends. Let's remember the letters together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
And now we are going to review our letters with the help of animals. A, antelope. B, bovine. C, camel. D, dolphin. E, elephant. F, flamingo. G, giraffe. H, hedgehog. I, iguana. J, jaguar. K, kangaroo. L, lion. M, monkey. N, narwhal. O, owl. P, panda. Q, quail. R, rabbit. S, snake. T, tiger. U, urchin. V, vulture. W, wolf. X, xerus. Y, yak. Z, zebra. Now we are going to watch a scene, then turn it into a text and look for our letters in it. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, Adam.
Good morning, Mohammed Ghali.
Assalamu alaikum, Uncle Abdus Salam. Have a great day.
Welcome, my little champion. You too have a great day.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening.
Good evening, little one. You're very welcome.
In the morning, we say, good morning. In the evening, we say, good evening. And anytime, we greet others with a smile. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. See you next time for a new adventure. A. The letter A. B. The letter B. C. The letter C. D. The letter D. E. The letter E. F. The letter F. G. The letter G. H. The letter H. I. The letter I. J. The letter J. K. The letter K. L. The letter L. M. The letter M. N. The letter N. O. The letter O. P. The letter P. Q. The letter Q. R. The letter R. S. The letter S. T. The letter T. U. The letter U. V. The letter V. W. The letter W. X. The letter X. Y. The letter Y. Z. The letter Z. Simple sound. Consonant plus short vowel. Letter A, E, I, O, U. B, ba, be, bee, bo, boo. C, ca, sa, ki, ko, coo. D, da, de, dee, do, do. F, fa, fee, fo, foo. G, ga, ge, gi, go, goo. H, ha, he, ho, hoo. J, ja, je, ji, jo, ju. K, ka, ke, ki, ko, koo. L, la, le, li, lo, ru. M, ma, me, mi, mo, moo. N, na, ne, ni, no, nu. P, pa, pe, pee, po, poo. Q, qua, que, qui, quo, quoo. R, ra, re, re, ro, roo. S, sa, se, si, so, su. T, ta, te, ti, to, tu. V, va, be, vi, vo, vu. Z, za, ze, zi, zo, zoo. Now let's learn special sounds made by two or more letters. CH, chat, chair. SH, ship, shoe. TH, thin, that. WH, what, when. PH, phone, photo. CK, back, neck. NG, sing, ring. QU, queen, quick. OU, out, shout. OI, coin, boil. OY, boy, toy. AR, car, star. ER, her, tiger. IR, bird, girl. UR, turn, burn. OW, cow, now. AY, play, day. EA, see, eat. EEC, tree. Now we are going to see a scene, turn it into a text, and then read it. I like skating.
I like football.
And I love books about nature and animals.
What are you doing, Mohammed Ghali?
I'm drawing. I love drawing, especially animals. Hi, what's your hobby?
I like football. What about you?
I like skating and drawing.
Do you like books?
Yes, I love adventure and sci-fi stories.
And I love books about nature and animals.
Everyone has a hobby. I like skating, drawing, and reading.
I like football.
And I love books about nature and animals.
And you, what's your hobby? Say, I like, then tell your friends what you enjoy doing. Hobbies make our days more fun. Good morning, Yassine. Good morning, Muhammad Ghali. Hello, Uncle Abdusalam. Have a great day. Welcome, my little champion. You too, have a great day. Good evening. Good evening, little one. You're very welcome. In the morning, we say good morning. In the evening, we say good evening. And anytime, we greet others with a smile. See you next time for a new adventure.